NOFMC, or North Orissa Farmers and Multipurpose Cooperative Limited, is an initiative of ECP Industries Limited at Balesore to take up community livelihood interventions in the state of Orissa. The primary objective of NOFMC is to motivate members and their contacts for cultivation of vegetables, fruits, and cashew on commercial basis for the development of agriculture, horticulture, fisheries development, animal resources, and energy generation, to ameliorate the socio-economic condition of members through adoption of technologically and commercially advanced agricultural practices, to inculcate the spirit of thrift, self-help, and mutual cooperation among the members. ECP Industries Limited was incorporated on 14th May 1986 and is among the few that set up industry in no industry district of the state of Orissa. It is one of the pioneers in manufacturing of LPG cylinders, LPG pressure regulators, industrial valves, and other engineering machineries. ECP has been doing business successfully over the years in India and abroad with Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, Tashi Commercial Corporation Bhutan, Damchand Petroleum Corporation Bhutan, Druk Petroleum Corporation Bhutan, Global Trade Investment Lebanon, Reliance Infrastructure Private Limited, Visal Gas Private Limited Kolkata, Macrohans Limited Sri Lanka, and SD International. The cow has been a symbol of wealth since ancient times. Mankind over the ages has relied heavily on the cows for dairy products, agriculture, and also as a source of fuel and fertilizer. Thus, the cow as a mother benefactor has led to the acceptance of the cow as Gaumata. Go Vikas is the most important and successful cattle development project launched by NOFMC. The goal of the project is to provide sustainable livelihood opportunities to the small and marginal farmers in an integrated manner to augment their income levels based on sustainable natural resource management with the blessings of Gaumata. There is more to traditional cattle development, and NOFMC is looking forward to the scientific application of cattle development in an ancient country. Fodder cultivation is round-the-year activity to largely supplement the nutritional needs of the animals. It is given to livestock in the form of wet, dry, grain, tuber, and silage form. The cultivation can be done in agricultural fields, natural meadows, and pastures. The easiest and cheapest way to meet the nutritional requirements of animals is to feed them with roughage or weeds that are obtained from fodder plants. Weeds obtained from fodder plants contain nutrients, mineral, and vitamins that an animal needs for its gastrointestinal microflora. The fodder production in the state is marginal, resulting in an ever-widening demand-supply mismatch, dismal milk production in the state. NOFMC lays a great deal of emphasis on promoting nutritious fodder production by promoting the cultivation of high-yielding fodder and pasture varieties and distributing different varieties of fodder seeds to the farmers. NOFMC is planning to take up fodder cultivation on a massive scale on wastelands, community lands, fallow lands, and gochar lands across the state. Azolla is a floating fern which resembles with algae and is largely grown in paddy fields or shallow water bodies. It multiplies at a very rapid pace. When dried, it contains 25 to 35% protein, 10 to 15% minerals, 7 to 10% of amino acids, bioactive substances, and biopolymers. Azolla is easily digestive and can be mixed with concentrates or given directly to livestock. It is high in protein and low in lignin. A huge amount of waste is generated every day from our villages, towns, cities, and industries. The waste that is usually disposed of either into the sea, river, and land as solid waste material is converted into biogas. What was considered as waste for years has become useful today. Modern technology has transformed waste into renewable energy. Biogas is a useful source of renewable energy, and it is produced mostly from cow dung and urine. Due to high nitrogen content, cow dung is considered as the best raw material for production of biogas over the years.
जय जगन्नाथ। ओडिशार गरीब चाषी को धनी करिवार प्रयास नहीं आरंभ होइछि एक विप्लव एवं से करछि नॉर्थ ओडिशा फार्मर्स मल्टीपर्पज कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी लिमिटेड। प्रथमे गो विकास जरिया रे गोटे गरीब चाषीर थिबा गाई किंबा आउ गोटे जोड़ी गाई को नहीं गोटे चाषी आरंभ करिया दरकार। तार मुक्त गोबर रु गोबर गैस बा बायोगैस ओडिशा सरकार भारत सरकार से बहुत प्रोत्साहन दौरान गोटे चाषी जोड़े गाई गोटे कर गोबर गैस एवं सारा मासपाई से कौन काठ कि एलपीजी यूज करने आवश्यकता नहीं एवं मासरे हाराहारी 1000 ରୁ 1200 टंका से संचय कर।
NOFMC shall conduct training programs for preparation of cattle feed from local available ingredients, impart training for recycling organic waste that is generated from the surroundings, to conduct training programs for production of vermicomposting, to conduct training programs for making the best organic fertilizer at home, to dispense awareness about crossbred milch cattle, conduct workshops for female calf rearing, and most importantly, making profit from Go Vikas.
समस्त को मोर मेसेज देवाक चाहूँगी चलतु आरंभ करवा गो विकास बायोगैस।